program exclusively for girl students. So we are empowering girls, and let's celebrate girls assembled here for this unique program. This program is in collaboration with ATL, with Dell Technology, and is introducing She Code Innovation Program supported by Learning Links Foundation, which is geared towards building foundation skill amongst the girl students by building capacities among them and ensuring increased participation of the girl students in all ATL initiatives. Already we are leading towards that, but this program surely is going to help you and empower you more in your future projects. So with this note, I would like to invite our principal ma'am, Ms. Nutan Buddhi Raja, to just introduce and just to motivate our students present here.
Thank you, Ms. Kavita. Thank you, Mr. Gaurav, and a very warm welcome to Mr. Neeraj, and the warmest welcome to all the girl students over here. That's the girl power of LPS. Numbers don't define the kind of strength you people have. There may be few of you here, but all of those elsewhere from LPS are doing remarkably well too. Highly appreciative of the AIM team, which has come up with this initiative. While we say that in our school, our girls have been doing remarkably well, you just heard them talk about the kind of web pages and apps that they have developed. Might I also say at the same time that there are other schools and there are many other, girl students, huge community and a huge number of them who would benefit hugely from these kind of initiatives. So as a school, we don't just look at our own girl students in our own school and look to them to empower. I think I'm looking at the bigger picture, and I'm so appreciative of this government initiative to take it forward and be all inclusive and include all the girls in every school with whatever infra they have to be able to get into this domain. And more so because coding is something which is probably going to or has already become center stage, and it's something that's understood very well by the students. We have students here from class 6, 7, 8, and the kind of command they have shown over this concept of coding and the language of coding is truly unbelievable. That understanding coding, knowing coding would help them understand the programming language, for example. They would understand that there's a language of the computers also, and to get well versed in that language, I guess, would be an amazing achievement for our students as they go into the future. And the Facebook that you have, all the wonderful apps that you have on your mobile phones, at the base of it all, the foundation of it all is coding. So you are at the right place at the right time, learning the right things, and these are going to help you as a skill, whether professionally, if you want to carry them forward, or even otherwise as a skill that you may have learned in every domain of life that you may want to go into. So all the very best to all the girl students over here, and I'm sure that you're going to leave your impact over here. We are not talking winning and anything such as that, but right now we are only talking about leaving an impact and taking a huge learning out of this initiative. It doesn't happen every day, and so you are the lucky few who are at the right place with the right people. And I'm sure Mr. Neeraj is going to take you through this journey and make sure that the She Codes reaches the ultimate goal of being absolutely capable. Thank you so much once again, Kavita ma'am, Mr. Gaurav, Mr. Neeraj, and all the students. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Your each word counts and each word values. Each word is taken up by us, and will try to make this moment, all a good learning and take it to future and for further learning. So with this note, I welcome Mr. Neeraj. Let me introduce him. He's working as a lead consultant in Learning Links Foundation and taking care of the North region. And he has more than 5 years of experience in field of STEAM, robotics, education, and in Atal Tinkering Labs. So I hope this session is going to be wonderful with him. And from here, Mr. Neeraj, I give you the charge to lead the session, orient our girls, and empower them. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pencil ma'am, Kavita ma'am, and Gaurav sir. So I think most of the things have already Pencil ma'am have covered. So first of all, I thank you to all that you have joined today. With due respect, I would like to welcome you all, ma'am, sir, and we are from Learning Foundation. And as you know that we are talking about She Code program, right? And She Code is basically an innovative program that is brought to you by Atal Innovation, Niti Aayog, Dell Technologies, and it's implemented by Learning Links Foundation, right? So I'm very thankful to you that you are organized this activity, the She Code activity in your school, and students should be coming right. So I'm not going to PPTs and a lot of things to you. So I wish I'll start the session. So just give me a second. I'm going to share my screen and just let me know if my screen is visible or not. And before starting the session, I just a request to all the students. If you have any doubt, if you want to say anything, just write your chat box. I'll check your questions or doubts over there, and definitely I'll give you a response. Right. So before starting the session, I think my screen is visible. Just let me know. Give me a second. I don't want to waste a lot of time because a lot of second where the screen sharing option here. Mm, yeah. So can you see my screen? Just a second. Is my screen visible
No, sir.
right now?
Now it's
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. If you find any difficulty, like my screen is not visible or I'm not audible, just let me know. You can write in the chat box, or please you can unmute your mic and just let me know, okay sir, your voice is not audible, your sir, your screen is not visible, na? Okay, so before starting the session, just first, I just want to know from your side, how many of you don't know about ATL Lab? What is ATL Lab? What is ATL Marathon? You don't know anything. How many of the students are there who don't know about the ATL Lab or ATL Marathon? You can write in the chat box. Okay, one girl is there. Okay, no problem, because we have new students also here, who those who are from grade 6 or grade 7. In the past 1 year, as you know, there's a COVID, there's a pandemic, and we have not touched our ATL lab. So most of the students are here, those who don't know about the ATL lab or ATL marathon, about the competition, because I'm going to cover all these things from the basic. So that's why I just want to know, okay, how many of you know. See, there's no need. Sir, if I'm not going to raise my hand, so what the other students will say. So if you have any doubt, you can ask, right? So here we have only 3 students, and ma'am, I'm interested in software marketing. Okay, fine. So we have total 3, right? So you can lower your hand, right? So now, first I'll start with the She Codes program. But before that, I just want to introduce ATL Marathon and what is ATL Lab. So basically, ATL means Atal Tinkering Lab, right? This lab is funded by the government, and right now in India we have 7,000 plus ATL schools across the pan India, right? ATL is like it's a Atal Tinkering Lab. It is a lab similar to our lab, just like we have a physics lab, we have a computer lab, we have a chemistry lab, we have a biology lab. In the same way, we have a Atal Tinkering Lab. Now, why Atal Tinkering? Why there's a need of Atal Tinkering Lab when we have already a lot of labs in our school? So basically, in Atal Tinkering Lab, you all know most of us we are working with drone technologies. We are working on robotics. We are working on 3D printer. We are working on artificial intelligence, machine learning. So these are some different technologies that right now we are working on, and these are the upcoming technologies in India, right? Even before 5 years, we have never heard about the name of 3D printer. We have never heard of the name of artificial intelligence, not in the school level, right? So what government did here, they have just added AI Python in the school syllabus. Before 5 year, I don't think so. These are the topics that in our school we are studying, right? So that's why we have added these few topics in our lab. And now in the ATL lab, we are dealing with the technology, we are dealing with the programming, we are dealing with coding, robotics. So these are the upcoming advanced technologies जो हमारे बायो लैब में हमारे केमिस्ट्री लैब में नहीं है. So that's why government have funded to all the schools, those who are capable, those who have done so the ATL lab. So the meaning of ATL marathon is, suppose in the ATL lab, suppose whatever I'm doing, I'm designing a 3D part, I'm making a robot, I'm doing the coding, I'm making an application, I'm making a software. So whatever the things I'm doing throughout my year, so in the ATL marathon, we have to submit our project, and that project should be related to our community problem. Community problem means whatever the problem we are facing in our community. So the problem should be related to agriculture, the problem should be related to road safety, the problem should be related to school, hospital, villages, SDGs. We have 7 SDGs project related to any. So in submit these type of projects. So in the previously 2009 marathon, a lot of students, a lot of schools
Excuse me, sir.
participated. Right. From those
Sir, your voice is
yes.
cracking.
Sorry, my voice is
Yeah,
not
Neeraj, your voice was
cracking.
cracking a bit. Yeah, Neeraj, yeah.
Okay. Just give me a second. Might be there's some network issue. I do one thing. I'll turn off my camera. Maybe due to bandwidth, my voice is not audible. Now it's okay. I have turned off my camera. I think there's some network bandwidth. That's why my voice is cracking. Now it's clear. Is it audible?
Yes, sir.
Can someone
Sir,
please?
there are some electricity sizzling noises from your side.
Just a second. I'll do one thing. I'll share PPT. Wait a
Neeraj,
second.
the voice is fine now. The voice is
Fine
fine.
now?
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
that's why I've closed my camera, because I think due to bandwidth of the internet, that's
maybe
why
probably.
it's cracking. So just a second. Just give me a second, students. Actually, I think where is that file? Yeah, this one. So yeah. So as I already mentioned that in the ATL marathon, we have to submit some projects that should be related to our community, right? In the same way, here in She Code, why we have created She Code program when we have already a ATL marathon, right? So the difference, why so? Government have seen that from the last previous 2-3 years, the number of participation of girls is very low, right? All the participants who are participating are only the most of the 80 to 90% are boys. So that's why we have started a new program, that is She Code 2.0. Earlier we have She Code 1.0 also. In that, students from those who have participated in ATL 2019 marathon, we have selected top 100 teams from there, from all over the India. In 2019 ATL marathon, I think 100 plus schools participated, and from those participation we have selected top 100 teams, and out of top 100 we have selected top 30 teams, right, for the She Code marathon, in which I think there's a team from Punjab also, and that is from Dadu Majra. I think there's a village in Punjab. So one team is from there, and the rest of the teams are from, some are from Kerala, some are from Maharashtra, some are from Delhi and Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, right? So there's a top 30 teams, and those top 30 teams projects is they have attended a training they have attended an internship by the Dell company's engineers, or we can say the Dell company experts. Fine. So after जब हमारे जो top 30 teams थे when they got internship, and then finally top 10 teams out of 30 got a chance for patenting their project. So we Learning Links Foundation helped them in patenting their project. So we'll guide them कि how your projects is going to be a patent, कैसे हम उसके help कर सकते हैं. So the basic things, all the support that a school need, we are providing them. Fine. So let's talk about SheCode 2.0. What is the process? How to participate in it? What are the criteria? है ना? So what is the process from the starting to the end? I'll tell you. So in the starting, first, what you have to do, what a school have to do, they have to form a group of 30, 30. They have to form a group of 30 girls, and the girls can be from any class. Either she's from 6th class, from 7, 8, 9, or up to 12. Right, so you have to form a club of 30 girls, and in case if we have a number of girls more than 30, then you can form a group of two clubs. Means you can form a club of 30, 30, two groups you can form, and those girls have to work or work on a single project. Now, what is the difference between the ATL and She Code? Right, in ATL Marathon, we have to work on we can submit as many as projects from a single school, right? And in a group of that project, in a group of that single project, the minimum participation is 2 and the maximum students can participate is 3 in ATL Marathon. If in ATL Marathon, if you are submitting a project, then the minimum participation is 2 and the maximum participation is 3 in a group. But in She Code, there's only limit, the total 30 students can participate. Fine, and they have to work on a single project, they have to work in a group, they have to find out a community problem, they have to work out and I think you all are aware of the community problems. Like one of the community problem, or we can say global problem right now, is our this COVID-19 pandemic. This COVID is a global problem and everyone is facing the issue. So can we make a such type of any device by which we can control this COVID pandemic, or we can just है ना कुछ ऐसा हम बना सकते हैं जिससे हम इसे कंट्रोल कर सके. So I'll show you a demo कि there are some students who have already developed a solution for it by which you can control the COVID by spreading. Right. So I'll show you. There's an activity booklet you can see on my screen. I'm going to share this activity booklet with all of you. Right. So in this activity booklet, basically we have 5 activities, and those all 5 activities are based on our community problems, or previous community problems. So this activity will guide you when you are starting your project, when you are starting your community problem na. So this activity project booklet will guide you कि कैसे start करना and how to go. Right. So just give me a second. Yeah, so you can see here this activity booklet volume 1 is there is a first activity, that is COVID-19 social distance meter. So I think there's a girl who is explaining about her project na, that is related to agriculture. So in the same way, that is a your that I think you have already worked on the problem कि हमने agriculture से related जो farmers हैं है ना, जिनके पास proper equipments नहीं है, they don't have the technology. So how we can help them, हम ऐसा क्या उनके लिए बना सकते हैं so that they can use it very easily. और either if you are designing an application, so a local woman जो अपने छोटे से गांव की मैं बात करता हूँ, जो छोटे छोटे villages होते हैं, we have a small villages जिनके पास टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सेस करने के लिए टेक्नोलॉजी एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते. So can we design an such type of applications or websites by which they can just post their pictures और अपने जो products है उसको sell करें outside the market. So such type of problems, community problems, we have to find out and we have to work on it. Right. So you can see the first project here, that is COVID-19 social distance meter. Basically, this project is based on our COVID. Right now, we are facing the pandemic. Right. So here, what students have worked, they already find a problem statement. So the problem statement is COVID-19. Right. And then they find out the solution, the maximum solution of it. Just a second. Give me a second. I think it's the last page. Yeah. So, where is it? Just give me a second. Yeah. So As I already told you, the problem statement. So right now the problem statement is COVID-19. Then we have to find out the maximum possible solutions. You have to find out the maximum possible solution of your project. Fine. So here the maximum they already worked on it and they find out the best of the best solution. That is the COVID-19 social distance meter. Right now, how to design this prototype? How to start this prototype? How to design? What are the basic equipments that we need to design this prototype. So here you can see these are some prerequisites that the basic knowledge we have before starting the project, that we should know the basic electronics concepts. We should know the we should have know the basic electronics and mechatronics project. Then we have basic knowledge of understanding of 3D printing, about the Arduino, about the sensors and all. Right now let's talk about the hardware part, like what are the hardware things we require to design this project, and what are the softwares we need to design this to code this project. So the here you can see the Arduino and the Tinkercad. They are the softwares, and the ultrasonic sensor. There's a microcontroller. There's a LEDs, resistor, breadboard. These are some basic if it says about the procedure, where you have to start and where's the end. So in this you can see this all science sensor is about basic mini Arduino is here. Just give me a second. Is my voice is lagging?
Yes, sir.
Cracking.
Yes,
I think there's some network issue, I think, from my side. But just a second. Just a second. I'll do one thing. I'll refresh my network. Just give me a second now. I hope now it's clear because I've refreshed my network. You're still lagging. Just let me know. Okay. So I'll
It's
just do
better,
one thing.
sir. It's better, sir. You can
It's
go
better.
ahead.
Okay. Then fine. So what you have to do to start the project, you have to work on some simple steps, like you have to know how to use a sensor, how to use the Arduino board, how to use the buzzer, how to use the LEDs, how to make a connection of a circuit. So all the steps are here in this activity booklet, right? What you have to do, you have to just follow this activity booklet, so that those students who are new, those who don't have any basic knowledge of the electronic circuit, 3D designing, Arduino programming, so you just have a look on this activity booklet, so that your basic skills, at least you can enhance your basic skills from this book, right? So here now you can see in this activity booklet we also provided the link from where you can download these softwares, like these the files of the 3D printed parts. These are the 3D printed parts, and here is the link. You just have to click on it, and then you can download the STL files from the internet, right? And then let's talk about the soft circuit diagram. So here we have shared the circuit diagram of that project. By with this picture you can design your own prototype. So this is how we can connect Arduino, we can connect breadboard, how to connect LEDs, how to connect the batteries, so this is a complete pictorial diagram of that prototype. And then let's talk about the programming part. So before starting the program, basically program is a software part. So before starting the software, here we have shared some links. These links will help you to download the software. From where you download the software, these are some simple steps you have to follow, and here's a link from where you can download the design of the 3D printer, right? And then if I talks about the coding part, so we have already shared the coding part also for your practice, so that you can copy the code from here and just start practicing on it by changing some values from these already these numbers, right? And then at the end we have here you can see there are some questions based on HOTS and LOTS, means high order thinking skill and low order thinking skill, so that you can judge yourself key how much you have learned from this project. Like we have some questions here. What is the objective of the project you have designed here, or does the project develop solve the problems? So these are some questions based on our community problems, right? So it's just for example. I'm not saying you have to work on it, you have to just made and show these prototypes. It's just for your reference, so that you can take a reference. And at the last, this is how my project look like, right? So this is an independent iCard type badge. Can anyone tell me what is the use of this device? How can we use this device to avoid COVID spreadness? Can anyone? Yeah, you can raise your hand. Yes, yes, Ahana and
Hana.
Ishrat.
Sir,
Ahana and Ishrat.
when we come too close, like less than 2 meters, and so then the red cross starts to light up, and sir, when we are away, then sir, the green sir lights up.
Exactly, exactly. You're 100% correct. So this is basically you can see the white part. The white part is basically a 3D printed part. We have printed this white part in our ATL lab with the help of 3D printer. So as I already shared, we have already shared the link previously. So you can download the file of this 3D printed part, and then you can print in your school also. And then you can see there are two eyes. These are the ultrasonic sensors by which we can detect any object, right? If a person comes within the range of 2 meter, you can see 2 m means 2 meter, or we can say, have you heard about a do gaj duri? That is why they have used 2 m means 2 meters. So if a person is hanging in the school, then the red light will indicate. If there is a no person, then you can see hanging in the back, and you can avoid accident, and we have a distance of 2 meters, right? So this is we can say a prototype. Once the prototype gets selected,
Sir,
suppose
your
we have
voice is
come up with the
cracking a lot.
solution of
Not
your
audible.
problem. Just a second. Less from the morning, I'm taking a lot of sessions. Right now, why it's disturbing here. Now it's clear.
Sir, it's still not
Now
like
it's okay.
totally audible. It's still
Anika,
muffled.
nothing. Okay, okay, okay.
It's
Just give me a
it's
second.
a bit
Just give
better,
me a
Neeraj sir. Yeah,
second.
it's a bit better.
Uh, just let me just give me a 1 second. Just give me a 1 second.
Now it's fine.
Now I think it's fine. If no, then no. All right. So we have seen in our first activity, we are working around the problem of COVID. So here, as you have seen that we have a second project that is based on Thresh, right? We are dealing with the Raspberry Pi, and we are dealing with machine learning. So in the second project, we have seen here Raspberry Pi based Thresh classifier with machine learning. So in this project, we are talking about the IoT, means Internet of Things, with machine learning. So machine learning is an advanced technology. Right. So here, what you have to do, you just have to follow these steps, and then you will come to know how to use such type of electronics components in your lab. So we are providing this activity booklet just for your reference, so that you can practice by your own, and you can use those skills in your project also. All right. So yeah. So just give me a second. Fine. So now what you have to do, as I already mentioned, you have to form a group of 30 girls, and you have to come up with you have to work on a single project, right? All girls have to work in a group on a single project, and you have to find out a solution of a problem based on your community, and side by side you have to prepare a thesis, a paperwork, also a documentary. Okay, from where you have started, how is your journeys, and then what is your next step, what is your future scope. So you have to make a document also on that project. And once you got a selected in top 100 or top 30, then definitely there will be a chance of patenting, in which we Learning Links Foundation will help you on all the document parts, right? And yeah, so I think most of you know about the whole process of the Atal Tinkering Labs ATL marathon. In the same way, She Code is just similar to that, but the only difference is it is only for girls. Yeah, fine. So just a second. So am I audible right now? Is it fine or it's still lagging?
It's fine,
Yes,
sir.
It's
audible.
fine now.
Fine,
It's
sir.
fine. I'm sorry for that, because I think most of the time my voice is lagging. But I hope you are cleared with the project, like what we have to do, the program, what, and about all. So if you want to ask anything related to Shiko 2.0 program, you can ask me here. If my voice is clear, I hope so.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Do you want to ask something, or you want to share your some experience or your
Neeraj sir,
project
you can
related,
stop
or
sharing your screen if you feel it's not necessary. Yeah.
yes, yes, yes. Give me a second. Yeah. Huh. So
And
anyone want,
girls, you can raise your hand and ask any queries that you have.
because yeah, I'm sorry to, because from my yeah, from my side there's some network issue, I guess, so I'm unable to turn on my camera, because otherwise जितना मुझे अभी voice मेरा आ रहा है वो बिल्कुल बंद हो जाएगा. I'm sorry for that. So students, if you want to ask anything, because previously I already worked with the Shiko team also, and I already worked with the student entrepreneurship program. Right, it's also a program by the government, so मैंने उसके इनके साथ भी काम किया है, not only for the one district. मैंने अभी all over the country में हमारे जितने भी districts हैं सभी students के साथ काम किया है. They are from West Bengal, they are from Kerala, they are from Tamil Nadu, they are from Bihar. So different teams. So हर state के साथ काम करना मतलब अलग अलग exposure लेना. Right, so that's why I want कि if you want to ask something, so I'll answer you over here. Once will support you. See, also you think ये चाहिए हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा, so we foundation will always help you. Right, so we are supporting more than 100 schools right now. In the last previous 20 in previous year we have supported 100 plus schools, and we are working with different government organizations, like we are working with Kendriya Vidyalayas, we are working with JNVs, we are working with Dell, we are working with Google. So we are working with different companies, so जिनमें हम schools को support करें, students को support कर रहे हैं. So if you have any such type of doubt, or you want to share something, you want to ask something, right, you can ask me. Otherwise we have a team जो आगे आपकी हेल्प करेंगे और आपको फुल सपोर्ट करेंगे, आपको फ्रॉम द बेसिक टू द डेल कंपनी के जो इंटर्नशिप है वहां तक लेके जाने में. ऑलराइट, सो आई होप इट्स अ वंडरफुल जर्नी विद यू आल्सो कि हम इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. All right. So just want to know, have you ever before you developed something जो हमने ATL marathon या कोई अच्छा project you want to share with me कि sir I have developed these type of technologies for our farmers or for our community, so that I'll let you know कि कुछ अच्छा, ये कुछ नया है, अच्छा आपने कुछ ऐसा बनाया है जो अभी तक नहीं बना है, या मैंने इसे कहीं पहले किसी अदर स्टेट में देखा है, या ऐसा कुछ you want to share.
Neeraj sir, I think
Think
we should take their doubts right now if they have any.
anything
Guys, raise your hand. You can
doubt.
ask. Yeah, Namya, you can ask.
Sir, I made an other website called Mind Plus. Me and Dhriti made it. So it is like for those kids who want to study but they don't have like very much educated parents to help them. So it's like a doubt clearing and like to gather some resources they want for the studies. So all they will do is fill out a form about their query or the subject or the class they are and want the resources. So if they're like nearby us, we can like give it in handy. Otherwise, we can like back email it to them.
Nice, great. That's great. So which platform you're using right now for that?
We made it using Google Sites.
On Google site. Okay. Fine. That's great.
So
Something new.
Neeraj sir,
Yes.
I have a doubt.
Yes,
Just
sir.
wanted to know, what if there are 50 girls? Then what shall we do?
Right. So if
Then
we
how
have
shall we form the
50,
teams?
yeah, if we have 50 girls and we want to form a team, then there's only two chances. Either we have to work with two groups, or either we have to work with one group. So either we have to add 10 more students, otherwise we have to do something so that we have to form a, because it's a limitation from the government side that we have to work with only 30 girls. So that's why we can't do plus and minus. Yeah.
So can't we form two teams of 25? It's not possible.
No, it's not possible, because
Okay.
right now 100 plus schools have participated, and all are participating with 30 teams,
So minimum
30
31.
girls. Minimum, no, the limit is 30, not plus, not minus, not 29 or 31. It should be
Okay.
30.
Right.
Yes.
And another doubt, will we have any district level or state level
Yes.
hackathon or something?
Yes. In the starting, we'll work with the district level or the state level. Then we'll select the students or the schools, and after that we'll do a national level. It's not like a directly national level. first we will start with the region or the district, right? Then we'll shortlist the schools, and then we'll do our national level. So there is a criteria. So we'll let you know the whole things. First, our team form. Then we'll tell you the whole thing. In the starting, we'll do one thing. First, we'll start with the ideation session. Once your team is ready, then we'll start the ideation session, and then we'll start the expert session. So there's the stages right now, so, right? So I'll let you know the whole detail. First, I'm waiting. First, we'll form a group from your school.
Okay.
And it would be great if a lot of schools from Punjab are participating, so that we can do one thing. We'll do a regional level in Punjab if a
Yeah.
lot of school, na. So yeah, so we can do that.
And sir, one more thing from my side.
Yes.
So, do we need to allocate work to all the 30 children? So, because I personally felt that 30 is a large number.
Right.
So, we need to allocate work to everyone, I suppose.
So in that case, what we can do, suppose we have a girls team from grade 6, 7, suppose 10, and we have other teams from like 20 teams, no, 20 girls are from above 8. So what we can do, just do key, we will classes or the technical to
Your voice is breaking again.
yeah, and
Yeah, this is better now. Yeah.
so we have some. Okay, again my voice is breaking up. So
Now you can speak. It's okay. Now it's okay.
why it's breaking right now? Because until morning it's good. My network connectivity is so good.
It's all right. It's all right. Neeraj, I can hear you now. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why it's breaking. Everything is fine here from my side also. So yeah. I hope you got my answer. You got your answer.
No, you need to explain us, how we will divide the work among 30.
It's 30. Yeah.
Is there any criteria we can decide ourselves? Because
yeah,
it's really a huge group.
Oh no. Yes. See, basically it's a group work, right? If you are working in a group, it's a group project. Then the students have to divide their work among themselves. If we are from the lower standard, so we are good in research work, so we'll do the research work in the community problem. If we are in higher class, if we are good in programming, so we'll do the programming part. So they have to divide the work among themselves.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So that
Yes,
part
yes.
we'll work upon something. We'll work upon something.
Yeah. That schools or students have to divide among themselves the part.
Any girl, any question from any girl here? Anybody who wants to ask
Yeah.
anything, please ask.
Excuse me, Snow.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, as sir said that we have to make a group of 30, like, if we have to make a project, obviously you have to discuss. So, like, isn't 30 a huge number?
This is what I felt also.
I understand, and that is a huge number, but we can't say anything because it's from the government side. Now that school have to form a group of 30, and they know why they have set the limitation like 30. So all the schools, those who are participating, they already formed a group of 30, and they are working on a single project. So that is from the upper.
Because as an ATL, like I also participated in ATL, like we just had to make a team of 3, so it was much easier.
It
Like,
was,
we could
yeah.
have stopped anytime.
It's okay, Anika. We'll think of a solution for this.
We'll think of it,
We'll think of
Yes,
something.
sure.
Yeah. I think
Maybe
it's a
we are
nice class
on.
also.
Yes, maybe we are online, so we are finding it difficult, but we'll definitely find out some solution workable to everything.
Right.
Yes.
Ridula, Shravya, you have a question? Shravya?
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask that will we be given a specific problem statement or we can take up any?
Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. So, Sadhya, basically, what you have to do, see, you have to find out your community problem, right? Suppose we have 30 students, and those 30 students have submitted 30 community problems, 30 different community problems. Then you have to sit together and you have to see whose problem is, I think it's a unique. Because
Okay, sir.
because right now what exactly, I think there's some noise. Yeah, because in the previous time what happened here कि जो हमारा February का month था, in that we have 30 projects, means we have 30 schools, those who are selected for the internship, and out of 30 only 10 projects are selected for the patenting. Means we are looking for the project जो अभी तक unique है and India में exist ही नहीं करता. Fine. So in the similar way, if you are coming with 30 projects, then your school will think कि किसका project is best, so that we can forward it to ना उसको हम आगे लेके जाएंगे. Fine.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, you have to submit at least 30 projects or more than 30 ideas. Then we will refine कि whose idea is best, है ना, so that we think कि you have to work on this project.
That's even I felt that's a good idea. Namya, your question, Namya, please. Yeah.
Sir, what if like we have like 35 people? Then will it be like a team of 5 and team of 30?
It is a team of 30, 30.
Yeah.
We can
Namya,
divide.
that is a challenge for us, so we'll think about something. Don't worry.
Yeah. So
We'll definitely try to form 2 teams, Neeraj sir. We'll try to involve more people. We'll form a
so
team of.
what-
We'll form 2 teams.
what can you do, बच्चे, what can you do if you have a group of 30 teams, divide into 2 parts, half and after that we'll merge more. This is the option, this is the so we'll do part, one is for the research team, one is something like that.
So we'll have to divide work.
In the month. Yes. And I guess in the month of May, there will be an orientation session or like on the ideation session. So definitely you will get an idea कि हम कैसे 30 teams में work करें, because experts are there, वो आपको help करेंगे पूरा, आपको बताएंगे, guide करेंगे, right? Yes.
So Neeraj, so what is the next step? What is the next step for us as teachers, and what is the next step for students? Yeah.
So next step is we have to form a group of 30. We have to form a club of 30, right?
Okay.
Just give me just mail us the list, those 30 participants.
Right.
I'll share the list, and then I'll let you know the date of ideation session and the expert session.
Okay. All right.
Fine. So
these experts will be from Dell, right? Dell and Learning Links.
Might be Dell, but we'll start with the Learning Links Foundation, and there's some experts. Right. Those are the industrial experts. They will guide you. They will know how to create ideas, how to generate more and more better ideas. So they will just give you a right direction. Fine. So this is our first step. We have to start.
So clear enough for me. Girls, any doubts? I think
Jasmine is there, who has raised hand.
Yeah, but Jasmine.
So who will decide that that this much people will be in one group?
That is our challenge.
Gaurav sir will decide.
That is. Don't worry, Jasmine. Everybody who's present here will be a part of a team. Don't worry. We'll make sure that everybody participates.
You come up with idea, you are in team, right?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
That is the Neeraj sir has put it on us. Right. So I think Kavita ma'am, I think we have cleared all the doubts. Sir, please share the file that you shared with
sure.
Yeah, please, so that I can put it in the group. I've already made a group. We'll try to add more and more girls into it, so that we can we can form at least 2 teams. And I think Kavita ma'am, all to you now.
So it was. How was it? First of all, I would like to hear from girls. How was it? It was good learning, good initiative.
Yes, ma'am.
So we would like to see you
Yes,
coming up with ideas for this program. Thank you, Neeraj sir. It was, great orientation that was required. Warming up session is done. So let's see how it comes up. Thank you once again for taking out time and guiding our children so that they can do much better. Thank you very much, all of you, for being here. Thank you. Thank you.
Ma'am, Nutan ma'am has left. So
Yes.
she mentioned thank you, Neeraj, to the team, and thank you to all the girls she has messaged. And guys, so we'll let you know in the group as soon as we plan something, right? So take care, have a good day, right? Have fun, take care, bye bye.
Okay.
Bye,
Thank you so much, Kavita ma'am.
Bye bye.
Thank you.
Neeraj, you can stay.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yes.
Okay, Shravya, Riya, Anika, too many girls, Ishrat, Riya, Apurva,